Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Chime application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. And once you open it up, you can look for the search button and then tap on it. Then just type in Chime Banking and start your search. And once you find the Chime application, go ahead and tap on it. And you will now see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Chime application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And once it is done, you can tap on the open button in order to open up the app. You can then sign up to your new account or log into your existing one to start using the Chime investing application on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Chime application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.